Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. The video is going to be very important for you because in this video I will discuss about all the hospitals which came in last year DNB 2020 with service bond. So all the hospitals from all the states, and I will give you list of all the hospitals with service bond and how much is the service bond and what are the details you need to take care while doing choice filling. I am creating this video in advance so that you have all the knowledge and accordingly you can decide. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. Okay. In the description you can find a telegram group which you can join, and you will keep on receiving all the updates on that channel as well. And there are ebooks in the description, ebooks related to deemed universities, all the details there for the last year cutoff, tuition fee and all other details for all open states available for you. We have created a separate ebook and you can find all the details related to open state tuition fee for all the categories, category A, category B applicable Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, cutoff and number of seats, branch wise details. DNV, I have created a separate ebook which contains all the details because there are more than 500 hospitals which you will get when you are going for doing the choice filling, and you have to have a knowledge about all the hospitals, how many beds and what other factors, OPD and which branches are better in which of the hospitals. So you can avail our paid services as well for that, or you can download ebooks. Right now we have given discount of 20% on availing the paid services now, and as part of paid service we will covering the counseling guidance for DNB, MSMD, government and private deemed universities, your state level private college counseling, NB diploma, CPS and FCPS until, and we will also tell right now if you join the avail the paid services, we will able to analyze your current progress, and based on current progress the marks you are expecting to get, based on that marks and rank we will able to tell you futuristic point of view that which are the possibility you may have after you write the exam, because you must have taken the test and all. Based on your current test we will able to analyze and give you feedback that these are the possibility you can have these hospitals, these government hospital and private hospitals and deemed hospitals are possible in your preference, like branch preference and your budget if you are going for private colleges. We will also tell you whether you can have a guarantee to get a seat without any year wastage, and if you fail to get a seat anyhow in this year, the service will continue for next year. Now let's jump directly to the topic, hospital name and state. So I will give you complete list, you can see here. If I have missed any hospital, so I apologize for that, but I have put my effort to put all the hospital which has got service bond. And talking about what is the process of service bond and how much is the service bond. So basically you have to serve according to state. Once you write the exam and notification comes for DNB, you will be notified that time what is the format. Actually, if you take for example Karnataka, the service bond here is of 3 years, so minimum 3 years you need to serve in Karnataka after complete the DNB from these hospitals where there is a bond applicable. And you have to sign a kind of like a fill up kind of format, and you need to have 20 lakhs of amount in your bank as a security, then only you can take admission into the hospital. So general hospital which is in Bangalore, you have to serve 3 years, there is a bond here. In KC General Hospital Bangalore, District Hospital Tumkur, Rajiv Gandhi Medical College and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Hospital, Thane in Maharashtra, and Raja Mutaya Medical College, Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu, District Hospital next to Sainik School, address given Vijaypura, Karnataka. You can see majority of hospitals are from Karnataka. General Hospital, Bangalore. District Hospital, again in Karnataka, Chitradurga, and District Hospital, Dharwad. District Hospital, Ballari. So you can see mostly district hospital. Let me tell you the states if you want in summarize. Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Then you have Kerala, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Telangana, and Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. Yeah, so these are the states, and for all these states there will be separate format given to you which you need to fill, and you have to get help of your bank for all the bonds and all. You need to fill out on stamp paper. Government Medical Health Center, Kozhikode, Kerala. Institute of Mental Health, Government Mental Hospital, Amritsar, Punjab. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Government Medical College, Himachal Pradesh. Guru Gobind Singh Medical College, Punjab. Nizam Institute of Medical Science, Hyderabad, in Telangana. Government Hospital, Gandhinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. General Hospital, Bangalore. Rajsari Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Government Medical Hospital, Maharashtra. Rajiv Gandhi Medical Hospital, Maharashtra. SVLS Civil Hospital is in Jalandhar, Punjab. Government Medical College, Jammu Kashmir. Government Medical College, Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir. And in Jharkhand there is a college. There is hospital, Central Hospital in Dhanbad. District Hospital, Karnataka. District Hospital, Tumkur. See, and you need to see which branch has got bond there. KC General Hospital, Karnataka again. ESIC Medical Hospital. ESIC, they pay, these are very good hospitals and they pay good stipend as well. I will create a separate video for stipend. ESIC, Hyderabad, Telangana. And in one medical hospital in Arunachal Pradesh, Lal Bahadur Shastri Government Medical College and Hospital, Himachal Pradesh. In Karnataka, another 3 district hospitals. So you can see mostly district hospitals from Karnataka, they have service bond. Lord Mahavir Civil Hospital, Ludhiana. Shahid Bhai Mani Singh District Hospital, Punjab. Acharya Sri Chandra College of Medical Science and Hospital, Jammu Kashmir. JB MMA District Hospital, Punjab. And Institute of Medical Health, Punjab. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Government Medical Hospital, Himachal Pradesh. Guru Gobind Singh Medical College and Hospital, Punjab. Nizam Institute of Medical Science, Telangana. So these are the hospitals. So you need to be very careful while opting during the choice filling. Once you opt and you get the hospital, so you have 2 options. Either you go with the service and you need to have that much amount ready so that you can fill and complete all the documentation. If you don't have that capability, then you should avoid filling these things in the choice filling, because it's more likely that these hospitals you may get, because majority of candidates try to avoid the hospitals with service bond. Okay, so that's it from our side. So it's valuable information and it will be valuable after you write examination as well. So you can have you can save this video and you can watch it later as well. So thanks for watching again, and all the best for your preparation. Hope you get best of the possibilities and secure a good rank, and then be in connect with us for the counseling process. So thanks for watching again. Goodbye.